Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also you can like and comment on this video, share us your experience using different strategy on this channel. So guys, today, as you know that I always drop you guys a daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Today I've bring another best strategy for you guys, just for you to catch up. Just only 5 candlestick on 5 minutes time frame is guaranteed for you, only if you can follow the rules and the guides in this video. So guys, before I show you the settings of this strategy, let me first explain the setting, how this strategy really works. So you can see now that this is crash 1000 on 5 minute time frames, and this strategy only works on crash 1000. So for you to trade this strategy, you only need your crash 1000 on this. So what you are going to be looking at is your window 1 and your window 2. So anytime your window 1 is respecting the level of 10, and also your window 2 is respecting the level of 30, this is the right time for you to take just your 5 candlestick and you are out of the market on 5 minute time frames. As you know, in 5 minute time frames, each candle represents 0.50, and if you are taking up to 5 candle, that is going to be about 2.50 dollar. Yes, by taking that. So guys, let me show you example of what I mean like this. You see this, when your window 1 respects that 10 level, and you also come to your window 2 and you see that it has respect that 30 level. Guys, this is the right time for you to take your trade, and the way you are going to take your trade is this. Once the last spike happens and you enter your trade at this level, what you are going to be seeing is this two area that's going to be accurate the same time. So once it's accurate at the same time, then you can count just only your 5 candlestick, then you are out of the market. So this is how you are going to set up your stop loss and your stop take profit. Your take profit is going to end when the red 9 on the window 1 is crossing the blue 9. So before that time, you are going to be taking up to like 5 candlestick. You see, when the red 9 that is coming here cross the blue 9 on window 1, that is when you are going to be taking up your profit. So don't wait for that. You immediately the blue 9 cross the red 9, then you take down your profit. You take a profit. So and your stop loss is going to be the last place where the spike starts. So guys, you see now, let's check for another sample. You see exactly something like this. We have another sample this moment. Now you see we have our last level here, which is the 10 level, and if you can check here, you see that our RSI is moving above the 30 level, and this is the right time for you to enter the market. And if you enter your market, your stop profit is going to be at this area, which is going to be around this area. This area is going to be around this area. So let me show you guys so that you can see very well. You see, you are going to enter your trade at this moment, at this first candle, and you keep on counting 1 2 3 4 5. So with this 5, you're already out of the market. But if you cannot out of the market, you need to wait for this another confirmation for you to take another profit. You see, when the blue 9 cross the red 9 at this particular level, is still going to be around that same level which you're taking profits 1 to 5. You see, this blue will help you to quickly identify to you when to take your profits fast, or you need to wait for more entry to come. So let me show you more on this. See, this strategy only works on crash 1000 5 minute time frame. Just take your 5 candlestick and out of the market. So you see now we have another confirmation around this area. You see now it respect our 10 level, and this place respect our what, our 13 level, and we are going to enter our market at this area. We are going to set up our stop profits around there, and we are going to be taking our profit. You see now the blue line quickly show us a way to take our what, our take profit, and it's around here. And if you can count your candle, it's going to be about like 5 candlestick. Now you see now we have 1 year, 2, 3, and this baby spike happen, it happened one, another one, then 4. You see now our our blue line have already crossed it this level, then you have already take out your 5 candlestick. So if you can just keep on taking 2.50 cents dollar every time you are entering this trade, maybe it's up to like 3 times you can do in a day, you are still making a lot. Even if it is 5 times, you have already make above $10 in a day. So this strategy is one of the best strategy for you guys to watch to trade successful. You see another entry at this level now. So you see once it doesn't respect it at this level, don't enter the trade. So you need to wait for the confirmation on window 1, and you need to wait for the confirmation on window 2, like this. You see this. Exactly. So the same thing happen here. You see that. So immediately to respect these two level, then you enter your trade at this level. Then your stop loss is going to be, you see, it give us a stop loss here, which is crossing the blue line here. But you don't need to wait for the stop loss. Sometimes you just count your 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, then you are out of the market. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy, because I've really grown up my account. You see now this is one of the account that I've grown more. So with this strategy, so let me show you the settings of this strategy. We have the first indicator window 1, we have the oscillator of 120, we have the deep period of 1, we have the slowing of 1. You just screenshot it the way I do it here. We have the level of 0, 10, 100, 90, and 50. Just press on done. Then we have another moving average, the period of 1, we have shift of 0, we have methods to be exponential, we have apply to close. Just screenshot it the way I do it here. So we have the last moving average on window 1, which is the period of 120. We have our method to be exponential, we have apply to close, and we choose blue as our color here. So in our indicator window 2, we have just only one strategy there, which is our RSI, which is the period of 14. We have apply to close, and we have our red as our color. So we have our level here, different level of 30, 90, 20, and 80. You see that? So just screenshot it and set it up. Once you set it up like this, you will have the same charts the way I have it here on my phone. So what you are going to do now is to identify those areas. As I don't forget those areas, I ask you guys to identify. You see, you only need your confirmation on window 1 once it's reached your 10 level, and you are going to wait for another confirmation on window 2 for it to respect that 30 level, and you can enter your trade and count just only 5 candlestick, then you are out of the market. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. You can also like and comment on this video, and also we have our mentorship plans in our Telegram group. So we have the link in the description below, and you can also join. Thanks.